Why I picked Terry Law Firm? Something clicked. When we met, I felt an instant connection.
Their motivation is taking care of everything so you don't have to, and doing the best job they possibly can for you.
Speaking specifically of Brack, I mean, he's gone beyond and above what he had to do as far as my case. He's been a true friend, not just a lawyer, but a friend.
I think our clients here feel like they're a part of our family, and that's our goal. We're not only just a law firm, we're also a family. Here at the Terry Law Firm now is me, my sister Denise, Jacqueline, who's my niece, and my brother Chuck. If you walk in the front conference room, we have a case that has my dad's briefcase in it. It's fairly small, but he would cram absolutely everything you could cram in that briefcase.
I've seen it in every courtroom and in a 100-mile radius.
It's one of those symbols that you never forget. Also in our conference room is my dad's blue horse notebook. It'll say things like advice, $1, notary, 50 cents, will, $5. It really keeps you grounded. It makes you understand where you come from and what's important in life. Growing up, watching my dad practice law, the thing that was so important to me was just how much of a difference he made in people's lives.
He always would say, I work for the man behind the plow, you know, the working person. And he said that so much, and he meant it in his heart, that we had, on his tombstone, it says, proudly serve the man behind the plow.
And he truly cared about people. It wasn't just working to resolve a case, like it was working to make someone's life better.
Take a case that would not only change your client's life, but would change the lives of other people and protect other people, make other people safer, then that's special. We do a lot of tractor-trailer cases here. It's trucking companies that ignore the safety practices they should employ to make sure they have safe drivers on the road. When you get the right verdict or the right settlement for the right reason, then it'll stop bad practices with truck companies. And it's what we do today in all cases. You go out to the scene of the accident and you look at the stuff that's important. You can't practice law from behind a desk all the time. But one of the things we do here is premises liability cases. They might include something as simple as a dog bite case, a case where somebody's injured on an amusement park ride, a case where a house is not built up to code or the decking is not built to code and a deck collapses.
Thank you, Your Honor. We pride ourselves in being able to get an injured person's benefits for them right away. And we feel like we provide top-notch representation in the Social Security disability area.
We have an open door policy here. We're not set by appointments. People come in all the time, and we sit down and take the time to see what we can do to help them.
We always have someone here that will talk to you and help you decide, do I have a case?
Although it was a very trying time, emotionally, mentally, you name it, I couldn't have asked for a better representation with this firm and then with Brack specifically.
I was very intimidated the first time I had to meet a lawyer because I've never met one. He made you feel so calm.
Really good. Helped me a lot. Those people treat me like family.
If you come to the Terry Law Firm, the difference you'll get here is that we are family and our staff is family. And so we treat every case like your family too.
Small town firm, big city know-how. To me, what that means is we're small enough to care about each and every client and know each and every client. But at the same time, we've had the experiences of many large firms
I think his results are impressive. His results are obviously one of the reasons I contacted him when I needed assistance, because he had a good record and I'd heard good things. So I have full confidence that if I say, hey, you need to give Brack a call, that he's going to treat that person well, that his staff is going to be attentive, that he's going to meet with them and listen to their concerns.
Thank you for letting us come here as a family today and have a good dinner.
Being with your family every day, number one, we just enjoy each other. And a lot of people say, really? And I'm like, oh yeah.
Family is very important to us. It's one of the things that makes us who we are. We spend our holidays together. We go to each other's houses. We do things together all the time. You can't hire one of us. You get us all.
That's the good thing about it. You're not hiring one lawyer, you've got the whole family working on it.
If we take your case, we plan to win it, I will say that. This is our vocation. You know, vocation means you're called to do something. And so we have that, you know, right out of the gate. We are called. This is what we are made to do.